A positive mindset won't fix your life. Actually, it won't fix anything, but it will change how fast you recover when things goes to shit. And I learned that the very hard way. Making money, losing money, start over again, traveling solo, making mistakes that people don't talk about. As always, I don't want to advise anyone, but if you are tired of fake motivation, stay with me, because this might hit differently. And this is not another motivational video. I'm not gonna tell you smile or manifest a Lambo. A positive mindset can change the way you live, travel, and think. And it matters, especially when things goes wrong. And it literally changed the way I travel, I think, and the way I see life. First things, positive mindset doesn't mean being happy all the time. And it's not ignoring the problems and pretend that everything is fine, even when everything goes to shit. And definitely is not Instagram positivity. A positive mindset is when you react to something that in life doesn't go as you expect. Missed a flight, lost money, bad decisions, loneliness, starting over at an age where you're supposed to be already settled. There was a time when every problem felt like proof that I was failing. But a different question changed everything. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? I started asking, what this is trying to teach me. And that shift alone doesn't remove problems, but it removes the feeling of being a victim. You see, when your mind is negative, you rush. When your mind is calm, you see options. I avoided bad deals, bad people, bad choices, just because my mind was slowing down, relaxing, and thinking. No rushing. Positive mindset doesn't make life easier. It makes you stronger. You fall, you get up faster, and you stop carrying unnecessary emotional weight. People react differently to your energy, and your energy becomes more real. People feel it. When you stop complaining and start adapting, doors open, sometimes in a ways you can predict. You enjoy the journey more than the destination. One mindset makes it hell, another makes it a story. And let me be clear, being positive doesn't mean being naive. I still prepare, I still calculate risk, I still expect problems, but I don't let them define my identity anymore. Positive mindset is not optimism, it's self-trust. So now I'm gonna share with you 3 practical rules that helped me to set up a positive mindset no matter what. Rule number 1, you control wisely what you consume. Social media especially, and the news. And you choose wisely the people you spend time with. Rule number 2, you change your internal language. You don't fail, you learn. Rule number 3, focus on progress, not perfection. One good decision today beats a perfect plan tomorrow. As always, this is not advice. I don't want to advise anyone. I don't like to do that. This is just my experience. That's what I like to do, share my experience. And as always, guys, Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.